In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build wealth from scratch. Like, you're going to build it from scratch. You're going to build financial freedom from nothing. You don't have anything. You're going to be rich. After watching this video, I bet you're going to be very, 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 very rich. Now, you need to understand some things. First of all, number one, your upbringing and your environment. Now, your environment has influenced your mind and your mindset about money. Your upbringing has affected your mindset about money, about getting rich. Your environment has influenced your mindset. I'm saying it again. Your environment has influenced your mindset about money and about getting rich. Let me explain. You grew up in an environment whereby everything around you, you always see broke people, broke people, broke people. People who never had a car, people who never had something tangible for themselves. So the thing has influenced you that you think to get rich is very, very difficult. So even when you try to get rich, even when you try to do stuff, you will not be able to do it because why? Your mindset is blocked. So the first stage of building wealth from scratch is your mindset. Example of people that built wealth from scratch. Example, we have Oprah Winfrey. She was born into a poor family, but what happened? She's a billionaire right now. Now, if you study the life of Oprah, you will discover that she always meditates every morning. The first thing she does in the morning is to meditate. Do you get what I'm trying to say? What is she trying to do? She's trying to cleanse her mind from the background she came out from. So many people, your background is affecting your ability to become wealthy. So you need to change your mindset. Poverty is a state of mind and wealth is also a state of mind. So you've been trying to become rich, but you don't know what is actually blocking it. It's because your mind is clouded with poverty. Your mind is clouded with what you've seen when you were growing up. A lot of things like that. You went to a school, the school you went to, your teacher, none of them had a Lamborghini. You went to university, none of your lecturer had a good car. You went to different institutions, none of them had a good car. What were they passing to you? They were passing the mindset of poverty. Despite the fact they were teaching you something great, but they were passing the mindset of poverty because what you see affects your mind. What you see affects your mind. When you were in secondary school, in primary school, your teachers were broke. They were broke people. None of them drove car when they were coming to school. They were always trekking. They were walking. Your lecturers in school were using stupid cars. So you are wondering why is it that you are not making it? It's because your mindset has not yet been cleansed. So you need to upgrade your mindset. You need to cleanse your mind from your environment. You need to that's why you need to meditate all the time. In order for you to build wealth, you need to cleanse your mindset. You need to fill your mind with the ability of making money. So the first stage of building wealth from scratch is your mindset. Your mindset. Number two, getting a job is an error. So because we grew up in an environment where our parents told us, go to school, get a degree, get a job, get married to a lady, give birth and die. That's what they've passed from generation to generation. So every parent, especially in Africa, they always tell you, go to school, go to school, go to school. I'm not saying to go to school is bad. What I'm trying to tell you that getting a job will make you a rich man, will make you financially free because you are exchanging your time for money. You're actually exchanging your time for money. So when they say somebody is financially free is that the person has wealth and can do anything, anytime he or she wants. So you are not financially free if you are still exchanging your time for money. So money equals to salary from a job is an error. It's a big error. So you need to understand that getting a job won't make you financially free. Getting a job will even make you become more broke. You'll be broke. You'll be broke because job don't give wealth. Job does not make you become a billionaire. You can't become a billionaire from a job. You can't become a multi-millionaire from a job because you're exchanging your time for money. Number three, you need to stop chasing money. Number three, stop chasing money and start chasing value. When you give out value, the reward is money. So stop chasing money and start chasing value. A lot of you have been chasing money, I want to make money, I want to make money. Rather, you guys ought to have been chasing value. What can I offer? What will I give in exchange for money? Now, you need to understand that money is divided into three aspects. Money has a spirit, money has a soul, and money has a body. The spirit of money, the energy of money is mammon. The soul of money is value, and the body of money is currency. So in order for the energy of money to work for you, you need to give out value, and that value in exchange of money. So when you give out value, you make money. So you need to understand that it is when you are giving out value, when you are solving a problem, that is when you become very, very rich. You build financial freedom, you become a multi-millionaire, you become very, very rich. Example of these persons are, we have Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos solved the problem by what? Introducing Amazon. Amazon is a digital store where you buy books, you sell books, and they ship it to you. So no need of you going to the store to get a book. You just order it online and they bring it down to your house. That's what Jeff Bezos did. He provided a solution. So you need to understand the value to give in exchange for money. So if you are always chasing money, and you forgot that money comes to those that gives value. So if you want to make money, you have to give value. If you're not giving value, it's difficult for you to what? To make money. So I said number one, you need to what? Change your mindset. The first thing you need to do is to what? Change your mindset. Now mindset. Number two, stop the chase of a job. Stop this job of a thing. Number three, start chasing value and stop chasing money. Start what? Chasing value and stop chasing money. These things will help you build wealth from scratch. So when you give out value, when you dish out value to people, you solve a problem for people, people will pay you in return. When you solve a problem for people, people will pay you in return. So number four is learn to hear the voice of God. Yes, the voice of God will help you to make wealth faster. You become very, very rich. The voice of God will make you to make wealth faster in aspect of what value to give. So if you can hear the voice of God will tell you, dish out this value and in exchange for money. So when you hear the voice of God will tell you the particular place where these people are that you can give value and they will pay you in return. So other persons can be struggling to give out value and is wasting time. They have the right thing to give, but the voice of God will make it faster for you. So you just discover in less than 6 months, you're already a millionaire. Because why? You can hear the voice of God. You can hear the voice of God. So let me tell you something. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be teaching you on how to make money. You're going to make money. Give me 6 months, you become financially free. If you follow my teachings and you follow everything I'm saying and you implement everything, you are going to be what? Financially free. You're going to be wealthy. You're going to be rich. You'll be a millionaire, a multi-millionaire by following what I'm teaching. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel, comment and share this video. If you want to get my prophetic course, click the link below to get my prophetic course, so that you also learn how to hear the voice of God in order to what? Dish out value and make money for yourself. So I said money follows those that gives out what? Value. So if you're not giving out value, I don't know how you want to make money. You're going to make money, but you're not going to be that you can't be like those people that are free. You can get a job and make money from it, but you won't be free because your time has been exchanged for money. So comment on this video, share, like and subscribe. God bless you.